Hello everybody, welcome again with another live forex analysis video. So in this video we are going to do some fresh live analysis of GBPJPY. We will also share our trading ideas of GBPJPY with all of you guys. So without wasting any time, let's come to the point. So first of all, we will go on D1 time frame. Okay, so this is a D1 time frame. We have a resistance area, we have a support area. So on D1 time frame, market is in range. Now move on H4 time frame and modify these areas. Okay, fine. So now we move on H1 time frame. Okay, so on H1 time frame we have a minor resistance at this point. We have a minor support here. If we move on at 30 time frame and want to see what's going on here. Okay, so this is the supply area almost here. So look at this point. We have a minor resistance level at 155.069, almost 07. Okay, so above this resistance level, almost above 7 to 8 pips, we have our supply area. So there are high probability chances that market will break this resistance level. The breakout traders will open a buy trade, but market will go in the supply and fall down. I'm sure that if market come in the supply area, then we will see a great fall in GBPJPY. I think we can get 100 pips easily. So let's modify this area, and I think this will be a nice trade. Our trade will be almost here. SL should be above this area. You can use 20 pips stop loss, and you can get 1-3 risk reward easily. I'm sure you can get 1-3 risk reward easily. So let me give you, yeah, this is the sell limit order. Yeah, personally I'm going to put my pending order. My sell limit is at 155.150. my SL will be 155.350, and my TP will be 154.550. So this will be a nice trade. I'm opening this trade according to my experience. I watch these setups again and again. Market will break this resistance level. The breakout traders will open a buy trade, and then market will fall from this supply area. So this will be a nice trade. Yeah, this will be nice trade. In GBPJPY we have only this trade. So this is the trading idea of GBPJPY for today. Please like this video, share this video with your friends and in Forex groups. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe this channel, and don't forget to press the bell button and set all notifications on to get daily live Forex analysis.